If you notice signs of dyslexia in your child, you might be wondering, what should I do before testing? Today, I am going to walk you through the exact steps to prepare so your child feels supported, confident, and ready to show what they really know without any stress or frustration. Even if your child is bright, curious, and eager to learn, early preparation makes a huge difference. Testing gives you important insights, but preparation is key. When you prepare ahead of time, you reduce your child's anxiety. Gather real examples to share with teachers and specialists. Understand your child's strengths and challenges clearly. This isn't about labeling your child. It's about giving them the support they need so they can thrive. Step 1. Observe and track patterns. Start by noticing your child's homework, reading, and writing habits. Ask yourself, how long does it take them to complete assignments? Do they spell the same word differently on the same page? Are instructions difficult to follow, even if they understand them verbally? I highly recommend that you keep a notebook or short recordings. These examples will help you communicate clearly with teachers or specialists. Step 2. Communicate with teachers. Talk to your child's teachers early. Share your observations in a natural, factual way. Ask, have you noticed similar patterns at school? What strategies have worked in the classroom? Collaboration is critical. You're not just advocating for your child, you're creating a team. Step 3. Use dyslexia-friendly strategies at home. Introduce short, structured reading or spelling sessions. Use apps or games designed for dyslexia. Start with 10 to 15 minutes a day. Small, consistent wins help your child gain confidence. Remember, this isn't about drilling. It's about giving your child tools to succeed. Step 4. Encourage strengths. Praise your child's verbal skills, problem solving, creativity, and curiosity. Confidence in one area helps them approach reading or writing challenges in a more positive way. For example, if your child loves drawing, encourage them to illustrate stories. It strengthens comprehension and keeps learning fun. Why testing is important. Testing is informational and not judgmental. A professional evaluation can tell you which areas are most challenging, which strategies will help your child learn efficiently, and how to support them at home and at school. Knowing this ahead of time removes guesswork and gives you a clear roadmap for supporting your child's learning journey. Before testing, avoid these common mistakes. Relying only on frustration as a sign. Waiting too long to observe patterns. Using only one strategy without feedback. And avoiding communication with teachers. Avoiding these mistakes saves weeks of stress and frustration for both you and your child. I share this because I care deeply about children who struggle quietly and moms who are trying to help but don't always have clear answers. Understanding dyslexia can change the way a child experiences learning and the way a mom supports her child at home. If this video sounded like your child, you are not alone. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me what resonated. Or just comment the word support and I will respond. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos created specifically for moms navigating dyslexia. You can also watch my previous videos where I explain what dyslexia can look like at different school ages. Those videos help many moms connect the dots. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next, like testing, homework, reading support, or emotional struggles, leave me a comment. This channel is here to support you. Understanding dyslexia doesn't start with labels. It starts with awareness, patience, and the right information.